behave regarding the instances about the
No, essentially, this is a development which is being handled by our other agencies, especially the DILG and PNP, DOJ. So we defer to all activities or matters on this issue to them.
Once he's in The Hague, so what would be the procedure? Can you tell us?
I'm really not familiar with the procedure because, as you know, we're not a member of the ICC. So, in fact, we've not been in communication with them ever since we left.
But once trial begins, sir, ano yung magiging role ng Philippine mission natin sa...
Oh, I don't know. I can't speculate. We have to see how events unfold. But I think the best is to ask the agencies which are directly involved in this issue.
Sir, may any directive ba from the President regarding this sa post natin?
Sir, kailan expected yung pagdala sa kay President Duterte?
I'm not really familiar. I can't really answer that. But I had a good meeting with Slovenia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.